how to diet or how to reduce weight. So this is the fastest way that I know. If you really want to lose weight, just try this one. Mapagpalang araw mga kakuracha. Yung vlog po natin na ito ay requested po ito ng isang subscriber po natin. Ito try ko lang po kung pwede din ako magpayo ng mga ganito. About health po ito. Kung paano pumayat, sa gustong mag-diet, sa gustong mabawasan ng timbang. Yun lang pong alam kong ginagawa ko, kaya hindi ako tumataba. Siguro, pero gusto ko naman tumaba konti. So, kamusta po pala kayong lahat, mga kakuracha kong minamahal. Salamat po sa mga bagong subscribers. Hi Molini, my friend. Hello. I will try to translate everything that I'm saying so you can understand. So, I am, there's a requested video or content that I have to make to reduce weight. Somebody from, you know, somebody that I know, I won't mention it, asked me to do content how to diet or how to reduce weight. So this is the fastest way that I know. If you really want to lose weight, just try this one. This is a natural method. Tagalog naman po tayo. Subukan ko lang po ito kasi po, yun. Health-wise, hindi lang maganda sa mata, maganda sa katawan, kailangan po natin mag-diet. Hindi naman talaga nagda-diet. For myself, I don't do diet. Okay, translation. It's hard to do subtitles, so I will try to just translate it as, you know na lang. I will try my very best. My American friends who doesn't understand, American, Indian, whatever nationality we have, I will try to speak the language, the international language, English and Tagalog too. So, without further ado, tingnan yung suot ko. Ano muna tayo? OOTD. This is from children's clothing. Mura. It's cheaper, you know, especially if it's on clearance. So, that's it. This is my OOTD. Can you see it? I will try to show it like I'm gonna stay here further. Okay. Shout out to all my new subscribers and my old and my previous subscribers. Thank you. God bless us all. My channel is growing because of you. God bless us all. This is a positive channel. Everybody who is subscribed here will have a positive outlook in life and will have a positive life. That's the most important thing. If you think, napapa-English na ako. If you always think positive, positive will happen to you. So, positive lang po tayo mga kakuracha. Walang kontra. Walang kontrabida. Love lang po tayo. Well, mag-start na po tayo. So, marami po tayo ditong mga let's see. Wait lang po. So, ito po yung mga kailangan natin. So, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Let's start. Ito po, gumawa ako ng listahan. I have a list here. 10 things to do to lose weight. Paano ba magpapayat? How to lose weight? So, unang-una, don't hesitate. Kalimutan ko yung sabi ko. Huwag mong gugutumin yung sarili nyo. Ano ba yung gugutumin sa English? Teka, Google ko muna. You don't have to totally don't eat. No. Ang hirap na nga. Nagdudugo na ilong ko. Ano ba yun? Basta. Tagalog, English muna. Tagalog muna. Paano magpapayat? Ang hirap if you have to lose weight, you don't do just like totally don't eat. That's not it. Eat. Diyos ko po. So, unang-una, natin gawin sa makakatulong sa atin, ito po, boiled egg. If you're hungry, just eat boiled egg. Okay? Wait muna ha, sandali lang, babalik ako. Back. Ulitin natin. 10 things to do to lose weight. I have 2 eggs, the left and the right. Hold them up high so clean and bright. So, what we have to do, gagawin po natin, kumain tayo ng nilagang itlog. Huwag naman masyado kasi masama ito, ma-cholesterol to. So, ang gagawin po natin, itlog sa umaga, itlog sa tanghali, at girls, itlog sa gabi. Thanks! Join. So, boiled egg will help you lose weight. At mabubusog na kayo dyan sa boiled egg. Baho, hugas mo na ang kamay. So, water. Drink lots of water. So, ibig sabihin, try to stay away from ice, cold water. Try to drink. Kung pwede na, yung mainit talaga eh. If you can drink hot water, that's much better. Especially after your meal. Okay? So, water. Ito po, malakas makapagpapayat at health pa to. Ma-healthy. I mean, wala siyang vitamin. Meron ba? Basta maganda tong water. Water is good for your body. Okay? Besides the eggs, boiled eggs. May protein yan. So, you can eat the boiled eggs. Pasensya na po kayo. Nahirapan ako mag-English. And, babasahin ko nga ito. Number 1 ko dito, yung boiled egg. Pero hindi na po yung importansya nito is not, doesn't mean that the first one is most important one. You have to do all of this. Hindi naman po, it's not that hard. So, eat boiled eggs, exercise, yan, mainly exercise. 10 minutes umaga, 10 minutes sa gabi, or 5 minutes, kahit na 5 minutes, it's okay. Just exercise every day, as much as you can. Drink warm water, nasabi ko na yun, di ba? Tapos, when you're outside, in the mall, don't use elevator, don't use escalator. If there's stairs, kung may hagdan, maghagdan kayo. It's a good exercise, for your body. Walk, talk the walk. Yun, huwag kayong gagamit ng mga elevator or escalator pagka nasa mall kayo. Pag namamasyal kayo, use stairs. And then, rice. Yan ang pinakamalakas magpataba, rice. So, if you can get away with rice, much better. Pero, if you cannot give up rice, just eat a cup of rice or a half cup of rice. Yun. And then, pag nasa work kayo, flex. Like what I do, flex. If you're doing something, flex. Flex. Sandali lang, oo. Mandar na naman aking obsessive compulsive. May tabingi doon na naka-display. Sunod natin dito, lots of vegetable and fruits. Try to eat more vegetables and fruits every day. Not too much, because too much sweet is not good for you either. So, these are the talongski. Talong! Inano lang namin yan sa backyard ng aking, this is from the backyard of my brother. So, next one is sleep at least 8 hours a day. You get fat when you don't sleep or you sleep late. Tataba po kayo pag lagi kayong puyat. Iitim pa kayo. Nakakaitim po yung puyat. Nakakaitim dito, nakakaitim sa balat, nakakapangit sa balat. Kasi the flow of your blood is continuous. So, it's not good. So, kailangan natin ng sleep. Yun na nga. At number 10, pero pinaka-importante, be positive. Positive po tayo na magagawa natin. Kung kaya ng iba, kung kaya ko, kung kaya ng lahat, kaya nyo rin. So, kung talagang gusto nyo pumayat, wait lang ha, sinisipon ako. One tissue. Intermission. Pag naiinitan po ako, sinisipon ako. Pag nilalamig ako, sinisipon din ako. In short, sipunin ako. O, balik na tayo. So, kung talagang gusto niyong pumayat, yung focus lang po kayo, di ba? Gusto mo nga pumayat, lamon ka ng lamon, di ba? Kung talagang gusto niyong pumayat, kumain kayo. Don't disturb yourself, you know? You have to eat, or if you can, 5 small meals, you know? Hindi naman po ako nagda-diet, gusto ko nga mag-gain ng weight eh. Pero, doon po sa nag-request sa akin, salamat sa pag-request mo nito, to the one that requested this video, how to lose weight. Thank you so much. I'm doing my best to show you how to, you know, pag hindi ko na alam yung English, you know na lang, palusot na yun. Hindi naman po kasi ako talaga fluent sa English, pero hindi naman ako bobo. Wala naman bobo, di ba? So, ayun po. Kung talagang gusto natin gawin, makakaya natin. Kung kaya ng iba, kaya din natin. So, ito nga po pala. The first thing you have to do, if you want to lose weight, those 10 things that I have mentioned, just do it. At pag na-achieve nyo na yung desired weight nyo, that's the time na magkakakorte na kayo. Doon na yung mga gagawin nyo exercise. Kunyari, you want a big butt, you just do Google some exercise in YouTube. Meron pong pampalaki ng ganun, pampalit ng ganito. Hindi ko naman po lahat nasusunod dyan dahil ako naman busy-busy sa aking buhay. Tamad din ako. Kasi sabi nga nila, the most boring thing to do is to exercise. But, pag nakasanayan nyo na, if you get used to it, hahanapin ang katawan ninyo. So, yun lang po. So, ulitin ko yung 10 things how to lose weight. Siguro number 1 na talaga yung exercise, di ba? Tapos water, lots of water, not cold. If you can do hot, drink hot water after every meal. Di ba, pag kakain kayo, ito pa isang pointers ko. If you have to eat, drink, before you eat, you drink warm water, or even if it's not warm, as long as it's not cold. Inumin nyo, you drink it before you eat, and then you're already full. You're gonna have to eat little. Yun. Tapos, so yun na nga, boiled egg, eat boiled egg, exercise, drink warm water, use the stairs, little rice or no rice at all will help you a lot. Flex every time. Fruits and vegetables will help. 8 hours of sleep. Don't make puyat. Don't sleep late, okay? If you can, sleep early, like 10 is ideal, you know, 9. At least have some 7 to 8 hours of sleep. And then, ayun, be positive. So, those are the 10 things that you can do to lose weight. Alam niyo po, not to mention, I have somebody at work who's asking me how I lose weight. I don't really diet. But if they ask me, I will tell them, I will share them how to. Like yung kasamahan ko, nagtanong lang siya sa akin, bakit daw sexy daw? Oh, sexy ba? Woo, flex. Sabi niya, at your age, you're still sexy. Hindi mo po. Ako nag-exercise kasi ako, at saka tagtag yung katawan ko. And then, I advise her to do this and do that. After like a month, pumayat po siya at sexy na siya ngayon, tuwan-tuwa siya. So, mga nagtatanong sa akin, actually, we have a guest in our work that asked me, you know, how to do the diet. I said, I don't really diet, but here are the things you have to do to lose weight. So, pag nakuha nyo na yung desired weight ninyo, saka kayo mag-exercise. So, hopefully nakatulong yung video ko na ito para sa mga gustong pumayat. Remember, kung kaya ng iba, if they can, you can also. Right? Basta, kung gusto talaga natin, di ba, magagawa natin. Kung kaya ng iba, kaya din natin. Bakit? Hindi totoo yung nasa genes. Hindi totoo yun. Para lang yung sa tamad na they are like justifying, Masarap talaga kumain. Ako naman po kinakain ko lahat ng gusto ko. Basta makuha nyo na yung desired weight ninyo, practice these 10 things, hindi naman doon kahirap at natural lang po siya. Ayan ako. Bye-bye na po. Salamat po sa panonood. Fruits and veggies, water, fruits, and eggs. Boiled eggs every time para may protein. Bye-bye po. God bless us all. Malini! Hi to my family, my loved ones. BJ, ingat ka sa biyahe. Love you, love you. Mga anak at apo, lahat. Pinsan, kapatid, kamag-anak, kaibigan. God bless us all. Sana po guminhawa lahat ng buhay nyo. Nating lahat. Be positive, stay positive. Wala pong away. Love lang, okay? We only live once. You only live once. You have to enjoy it. Thank you, everybody. God bless us all. Bye. Till my next vlog. Thank you sa nag-request. Itago na lang natin siya sa pangalang blessing. Diba? Bye-bye po.